The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Franklin County until 1:30 p.m. At 12:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Parkway, or 5 miles east of St. Clair, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Include 30 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moselle, Robertsville, KDO89, Gray Summit, and Pacific. This includes the following state parks: Robertsville State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 253 and 257. Shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure.